Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can add your Outlook account to your Gmail account. Now for that, first of all, you need to get logged into your Gmail account. So click open a new tab on the web browser and type in gmail.com and press enter. Now here you click on sign in, type in your email address, click on next. Type in your password, click on next. Now that you have been logged into your Gmail account, here you need to click on the setting icon on the top right corner and there you click on see all settings. Now once you're at your general setting section page, here you need to click on the accounts and import settings. You click upon that and there you will see the option of check email from other accounts. Here you need to click on add an email account option. Now here you type in the email address of your Outlook account. Now here you just need to click on next. Two options of how you can add your Outlook to your Gmail account. Either you can link the accounts with each other or you can just import the mails from your Outlook to your Gmail account. But here we're gonna add Outlook to the Gmail. So here you just need to click on this option of top, that is link accounts with Gmailify, and then click on next. Now here you need to type in the password of that Outlook account. Type in the password and click on sign in. Now here you need to let your access to your Outlook account. Here you just need to click on yes, and this will give access for Gmail to your Outlook account. Here you can say you've been Gmailified. That means your Outlook account has been currently linked with your Gmail account. You just click on close. And with that, you can see here the account of your Outlook. Hope this video was useful on how you can add Outlook account to your Gmail account. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.